The Lord is close to the broken-hearted and saves those who are crushed in spirit. There are wounds no one sees, wounds that bleed inside the heart. Some of the deepest pain a person can carry comes from harm, a broken marriage, a family that no longer speaks, children who walked away, betrayal for someone you trusted, or a house that feels more like a battlefield than a refuge. Maybe you feel like love has died in your home. Maybe forgiveness feels impossible. Maybe you have tried everything and nothing seems to change. But hear this: Jesus specializes in restoring what people break. He sees your tears at night, hears the prayers you whisper in silence, and understands the long lines hidden behind your smile. When others walk away, Jesus comes close. Jesus understands your pain. He was betrayed by someone he loved, rejected by his own people, and wounded by those he came to save. So when you tell him your heart is broken, he doesn't answer from a distance. He answers as someone who has walked through pain himself. He says, I am close to the broken-hearted. You may feel abandoned, but you are not alone. You may feel invisible, but God sees you. You may feel forgotten, but Jesus stands beside you. Family wounds run deep. Words that mark you, decisions that hurt you, moments that shape your fear. These are not small things. But Jesus does not only comfort your pain, He heals it. He enters the deepest part of your heart, the room you hide from everyone, and begins to rebuild you from within. He brings peace where there was shouting, clarity where there was confusion, and hope where everything seemed destroyed. Nothing is too broken for Jesus to restore. Nothing is beyond his reach. He can rebuild a marriage, soften a hardened heart, bring a child back home, or give you the strength to forgive. Someone who never apologized. He can rewrite stories that felt completely lost. And even if reconciliation has not happened yet, even if the other person won't change, Jesus gives you the strength to move forward. He teaches you to love without losing yourself, to forgive without becoming a prisoner of the past, and to trust again without fear. He becomes your healer, your refuge, your safe place. If your family is falling apart, if resentment is draining your strength, or if love feels like a fading memory, let Jesus touch your heart today. Tell him everything. Cry out to him. He will lift you up, hold you close, and breathe new life into your soul. Where people fail, Jesus never fails.